Hi, this is going to be a tutorial for Character Animator. As you can see, this little snowman, or snow lady actually, I think she's talking as I'm talking. Her lips are moving. Also, she's got draggable hands. And if I move, she's got some movement. So there's some really cool stuff you can do with this, and you can actually record it, save it as PNGs, and take it into After Effects and animate. So you can move these around and it will record. It won't record the arrow. So yeah, we're gonna go back to the basics and have a look into Photoshop. So we jump to Photoshop. Okay, so this is a basic empty template. What you have to do, there's certain protocols, so you need to set up a template like this, but I will be giving you this blank template to work with. If you notice, you can name whatever your character's name, put a name there, but you notice there's a plus there. This is a protocol to say this can be animated, and you have to have this set up in a certain way. So you have to have your character name with the plus sign in front of it, and then the head that contains your eyebrows. See the right and left eyebrow got a plus sign in front, that means they can be animated. The right pupil, that can be animated because it will be moving round and round. There's a right blink, which would just be a line, and the eyeball, which is not animated. Nose is just doesn't really move much. And then we've got mouth. Now these are linked to phonemes. So I will show you a template that gives you the basic phonemes. So neutral, smile, surprised, d, e, f. I won't go on. And you have to draw all those in. Face background is where we're going to draw a face, and then the body. This is going to be simplified animation where you're mostly focusing on eye movement, eyebrows to express expression, and also the body won't be moving, so it'll just be the lip sync. Okay, so first of all we're going to select the face background layer, and then I'm going to get the elliptical tool here, the marquee tool, and I'm just going to make an oval. You can make an oval or a circle, whatever you prefer. And I'm just going to use the paint bucket tool, and that's it. Now to deselect that, the shortcut is Command D or Control D on a PC. There you go. So we've started now filling in the gaps because all these are empty, and we'll carry on with this in the next video.